Okay.
Butter chicken, a naan, garlic naan. I'm like a 7. It's your girl Shanice, where you see me, I be me, and we enjoy each other's company. So we are back with another food review, Indian food, y'all. Before we get into this food review, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can continue to enjoy each other's company. Y'all, I hope this Indian food is worth it, because the wait, baby, I would prepare to wait 35 to 45 minutes. So we got the garlic naan, vegetable samosas, butter chicken, and I got the mango lassi. I hope I'm saying it right. I wish it was in a clear cup, but I hope you can see it. I don't want to spill it. What you get?
And I got the vegetable samosas, and I got the chicken biryani. So this is what takes like 45 minutes for them to make it. They make it fresh. She was explaining to me how they make it. So this took 45 minutes. This is the chicken biryani. And then I also got the garlic naan too. Usually with these videos, we don't eat nothing before actually recording. So we hungry, okay?
Yes.
And then this is, I'm not sure what this is. Let me unwrap it and see what this is. It's like some,
why are you making it?
Cause I'm not sure what it is.
Sorry for the noise.
Okay.
It looked like
It's dripping.
yogurt or something.
Yeah, it looked like
white, like
milk.
a white sauce.
I'm scared to try it. I don't know what that goes
You
in.
might have to just taste it with your finger first or something.
Yeah, I might. And then the garlic naan. I'm assuming this is like garlic bread.
It smells good.
Let me see. Oh, now this look good, y'all.
It comes with 2.
Okay, so what we gonna try first?
I don't know. This the rice that went with the butter chicken. It's just steamed rice with peas.
I think we
You
need
want to
to
do the
try
vegetables? Some.
Oh yeah, I got a mango lassi too.
I guess we could try the vegetable samosas. It comes with these 2 sauces, green, and it looks like
We're gonna try both.
ginger. There it is.
We're gonna try both the sauces. You can tell we haven't ate, honey. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay. So, which one you gonna try first?
I guess the green.
The green sauce. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay. Tastes like potato.
It's not bad.
I like
the
it.
texture and everything kind of reminds me of like a Jamaican beef patty. You can't really taste the green
Or like
sauce.
an empanada.
Right.
Or something like that.
You gonna try to? I don't know if it's ginger.
Okay, let's try this sauce. I'm not sure what that is, but it smells kind of spicy.
It's sweet. I think I like that sauce better.
I like that sauce better.
It's sweet and spicy.
That's pretty good. Pretty good. A vegetable samosa. Yeah, it's almost like a. Let me try one more time. I ain't all that.
You know, I'm hungry. And then I worked out too.
It's literally like peas and potatoes fried. That's good. Okay. Now,
What you gonna try next?
I'm gonna try a sip of this mango lassi.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a sip of that.
Oh, it smell like mango.
Yeah, it smells like I'm
Mango
assuming
smoothie.
it'll probably taste like a mango smoothie. Listen. I don't like it. It's too thick for me. I taste the mango, but it tastes like
It's
yogurt.
more, yeah, it's more like milk based.
Yeah, no, I don't like that.
I feel like they got pieces of mango in it.
Yeah, I don't like that. The mango lassi is a no for me.
It's all right. I don't like the little pieces in it,
Ooh,
like mango. So
ooh, this smells so good. The garlic naan.
y'all, she moving on fast to the
Okay.
garlic naan. Let me catch up. You gonna dip it in the sauce?
What sauce? What sauce? There ain't no sauce. Let's try the rice.
It's good, but it's like missing. It's missing something to me. There's a little salt, maybe.
Yeah. And if anybody's watching this, if you've tried biryani, let me know.
Don't it have chicken in it somewhere?
Yeah, supposedly it's chicken biryani. Is this? Wait a minute, I gotta figure out how to eat it.
Yeah, I might have to dip this garlic naan in some sauce.
Yeah, that brown sauce or something.
I think I'm gonna do that. Or
It's crunchy. I feel like I'm mostly try the butter chicken. Maybe that white sauce, because I don't know what it is.
no, I
If
didn't
you know
get
what
the
it is,
white
help me
sauce.
out. It's like a soup.
You gotta taste it.
Okay. This one.
Oh shoot! Oh, oh y'all. Y'all, I opened that butter chicken. And I'm always making a mess,
going
okay?
on?
I opened the butter chicken and they filled it up to the top. Y'all, it literally burnt my hand. Like, it's super, super hot. Godly.
I don't know if I could eat that either.
Ooh, I'm always making a mess. Golly, it's hot.
I'm scared to try this sauce.
Ooh, y'all, I burnt my hand.
Okay, let's dip.
Yeah, I really burnt my hand. Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah, I don't know.
Why they filled it up to the top like that? So y'all,
I don't want you to try this, but tell me what you think. But
this
I'm missing something.
butter chicken. So I guess I'm supposed to dip the garlic naan in the butter chicken. I'm gonna fork it. Did I lose the fork? I don't know.
I'm going back to my samosa.
Y'all, it tastes like I feel like somebody mentioned this in one of their videos. Like ravioli. It's not bad. You wanna try it? So the chicken.
Put the chicken with the
rice
on top of the garlic naan.
Ooh, I already done spilled things. She giving me instructions.
That's how I see everybody else eating it.
I know, but I'm scared that I'm making a mess. You said, see, rice, then the
something
chicken.
is a little spicy because it had my nose a little.
All right, y'all. So. Get some rice. Got the rice, a little bit of rice. Chicken. The butter chicken good. It's a little spice to it. Let me just do it like this.
How's that?
It's good.
Pretty good. I'll try it. Let's see. I want you to try the biryani too.
So far, y'all, I'll rate the vegetable samosa.
Get a little sauce.
8.5, 9.
Okay.
Butter chicken, a 9. Garlic naan, I'm like a 7. Need a little salt.
Okay.
Ooh.
Spin it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Now these dishes are kind of messy.
Okay.
They didn't see you bite.
My honest review of trying Indian food for the first time. So for the vegetable samosa, I would probably give, if I had to rate it, I would probably give that an 8 out of 10. It's not bad at all. It's better with the brown dipping sauce instead of the green dipping sauce. The garlic naan,
Need a little salt.
it's okay, but it's nothing to really brag about. So I would give that a 5. Dipped in the sauce for the butter chicken with the rice, I'll give that a 7. The biryani, you didn't try the biryani. The biryani, I had high expectations for the biryani, but that didn't do it for me either. I would give that a 6. Overall, it's not bad, but it just tastes like it's missing something, just in my personal opinion.
I would agree with that too.
It's not bad though.
The spice, and the spices are there, but it's just missing something. I don't know, maybe the salt, but yeah, overall I would give an 8 overall.
Oh, and the lassi, that was a no go for me. No.
The mango lassi, I would give that a 6. And I love like different drinks and stuff. That wasn't really it for me, I guess, because it was mostly milk based or something. But I would give that a 6. Yeah.
That's an honest review. If you're watching this and you actually try Indian food, let us know how you liked it. Maybe we didn't try the right things. Maybe we need to try a different place. But overall, if I had to rate my experience of trying Indian food for the first time, I would give it a 6 out of 10.
Yes, and I will insert clips of like the location and the menu and everything, so y'all can see that as well where we tried. If y'all enjoyed this food review, this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we continue to enjoy each other's company. See you in the next video. Bye.